All right, it came in this plain gray mailer from Sugar Paper. It does not get any plainer than this, but I will say it did arrive quickly. I ordered it, I feel like just a couple of days ago, and it arrived like right away. So I do appreciate that. I would rather have speed over beautiful, pretty, perfect packaging. So that's perfect. All right, this looks like one of those envelopes you see at work for inter-office mail, or at least that's what I usually get. All right, so 2022, I got both of the dots, which are my favorite, and I love these things. I really like the simplicity of having a monthly only planner. Honestly, the weeks just go by so fast. I think I'm going to use a weekly planner, but every time I start out strong, and then a couple weeks in, it just, it's blank, and then all of a sudden 3 months later the whole thing is blank and I just have all these wasted pages. So I don't know, let me know what you like better. I think I like the tiny dots better. I'm not a big fan of the big dots. I'm still a fan of dots, but yeah, if I had to, I would go with the tiny dots. And I believe this looks exactly the same as last year. Yes, it does. So very simple, which again, I appreciate, I prefer, I like the minimalist design. We just have each month on a 2-page spread. You have some area for notes here. You have both months here on the bottom. And big surprise, if you're listening to this, I actually am going to show you how to DIY this at home and make this on your own. So if you're like, I love these planners too so much, I want to learn how to make these, I will teach you how to do that. So I will have a tutorial. You can DIY these. You can totally just make these at your own house without even having to hire a printer or anything else. And you could change these. I'm not a fan of lined pages ever. I like dot grid. So we could change these to dot grids. And here we have the at a glance 2022 and 2023. Got a blank page, and that's it. So this is literally my favorite type of planner in the universe. I'm going to say that everywhere. Planners everywhere. So these are 2022. I believe they came out their 2022 regular spiral weekly planners, but again, I don't get a lot of use out of those, especially because they're a horizontal layout, which for me I find totally just not functional or usable. So that's it.